Hi! In front of me is TECNO SPARK 10 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by going into your device's keyboard and tapping on little gear icon located between clipboard and three dots. Following that, click on text correction. And as you can see, all typing options are available over here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!